Tired of kitchen clutter? These smart Amazon organization finds help maximize space, keep everything organized, and make everyday cooking more convenient. All product links are description below. Number 1. The Pipishell Silverware Drawer Organizer. A smart kitchen essential designed to instantly upgrade your drawer organization. It neatly separates utensils and kitchen tools, expands to fit different drawer sizes, saves space, reduces clutter, and makes everything easy to find in seconds. It also gives your kitchen a cleaner, more modern, and professionally organized look. Number 2. The Ewaiira Dish Drying Rack. A stylish and space-saving kitchen organizer designed to keep dishes neatly arranged while drying. It provides organized storage for plates, bowls, and utensils, saves counter space, reduces water mess, and makes your kitchen look cleaner, more modern, and highly organized. It also improves kitchen efficiency by keeping everyday essentials easily accessible. Number 3. The LivLab Rice Dispenser. A smart kitchen storage solution designed for clean, precise, and mess-free rice dispensing. It keeps rice fresh and protected, allows easy portion control, reduces spills, saves pantry space, and makes your kitchen more organized, efficient, and convenient for daily cooking. It also gives your pantry a more modern and well-organized look. Number 4. The Zulay Kitchen Spoon Rest. A simple yet essential kitchen tool designed to keep your cooking area clean and mess-free. It holds spoons, ladles, and utensils while cooking, reduces countertop stains, saves cleanup time, and makes your kitchen more organized, neat, and efficient. Number 5. The Kiasthome Bamboo Pot and Pan Organizer. A smart kitchen storage solution designed to keep cookware neatly arranged and easily accessible. It helps organize pots, pans, and lids efficiently, saves cabinet space, prevents stacking mess, reduces clutter, and makes your kitchen more functional, clean, and well-structured. It also improves kitchen workflow by making everything easier to find and reach while cooking. Number 6. The Yarall Clips for Food Packages. A simple yet highly useful kitchen essential designed to keep food fresh and sealed. It securely closes snack and food bags, prevents spills and moisture, saves food from going stale, reduces waste, and helps keep your kitchen more organized and efficient. It also makes pantry storage cleaner and more convenient for everyday use. Number 7. The Aozita 3-tier rolling utility cart. A versatile storage solution designed for flexible organization in any space. It offers multiple shelves for kitchen, bathroom, or office essentials, rolls easily for mobility, saves floor space, reduces clutter, and makes organizing and accessing items more convenient and efficient. It also adds a modern and practical touch to your home setup. Number 8. The 3-pack Bathroom Organizers and Storage. A smart and compact storage solution designed to keep bathroom essentials neatly arranged. It organizes toiletries and small items, saves counter and cabinet space, reduces clutter, improves accessibility, and helps create a clean, tidy, and well-organized bathroom setup. It also adds a simple, modern, and efficient organization upgrade to any bathroom. Number 9. The HOSHANHO Knife Magnetic Strip. A modern kitchen storage solution designed to keep your knives safely organized and easily accessible. It holds knives securely with strong magnets, saves counter and drawer space, prevents clutter, improves safety by keeping blades visible, and gives your kitchen a clean, professional look. It also helps you quickly grab the right knife while cooking for better efficiency. Number 10. The 7-code Large Dish Drying Rack. A spacious kitchen essential designed to dry dishes efficiently and keep your countertop organized. It holds plates, glasses, and utensils neatly, speeds up drying time, prevents water mess, saves counter space, and makes kitchen cleanup more clean and convenient. It also helps maintain a clutter-free and well-organized kitchen sink area. Number 11. The ALIUNI Drawer and Shelf Liner. A simple yet effective kitchen organization solution designed to protect and clean your storage spaces. It prevents scratches and stains, keeps shelves and drawers tidy, reduces slipping of items, is easy to clean, and helps maintain a neat and well-protected kitchen setup. It also extends the life of your cabinets while giving a cleaner, more polished look. Number 12. The BAMBANG Extra Large Bread Box. A stylish kitchen storage solution designed to keep bread and baked goods fresh for longer. It provides spacious storage, protects food from dust and moisture, reduces countertop clutter, keeps your kitchen organized, and adds a clean and modern touch to your countertop setup. It also helps maintain a tidy kitchen while keeping everyday essentials easy to access. Number 13. The Upesitom Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer. A smart storage solution designed to make cabinet access easier and more organized. It slides out smoothly for quick access, saves storage space, reduces clutter, helps organize kitchen essentials efficiently, and makes everyday cooking and cleaning more convenient. It also helps utilize deep cabinet space more effectively and keeps items within easy reach. Number 14. The Solid Overnight Oat Containers with Lids and Spoons Set. A convenient meal prep solution designed for easy breakfast storage and organization. It keeps oats and snacks fresh, includes built-in spoons for convenience, helps with portion control, saves time during busy mornings, and makes healthy meal prep simple and organized. It also makes grab-and-go breakfasts more convenient for everyday use. Number 15. The Frikolsh Over the Fridge Organizer Storage. A smart space-saving solution designed to maximize unused space above the refrigerator. It provides extra storage for kitchen essentials, reduces countertop clutter, keeps items easily accessible, saves cabinet space, and helps maintain a cleaner and more organized kitchen setup. It also helps utilize vertical space more efficiently for better kitchen organization. Number 16. The Ewaiira Auto Rolling Fridge Egg Organizer. A smart kitchen storage solution designed for easy egg organization and access. It features a rolling design that automatically dispenses eggs, saves fridge space, keeps eggs neatly arranged, reduces clutter, and makes grabbing eggs quick, convenient, and efficient for daily use. It also helps prevent egg damage and keeps your fridge more organized and tidy. Number 17. The Sinnsally Kitchen Sponge Holder. A smart sink organizer designed to keep your kitchen area clean and clutter-free. It holds sponges, brushes, and cleaning tools neatly, drains water efficiently to keep items dry, reduces sink mess, saves counter space, and makes daily dishwashing more hygienic and organized. It also helps prevent bacterial buildup by keeping everything dry and well ventilated. Number 18. The Spice Rack Kitchen Cabinet Organizer. A smart storage solution designed to keep your spices neatly organized and easy to access. It saves cabinet space, keeps jars visible, reduces clutter, and makes cooking faster and more convenient. Number 19. The Beesvo Under Sink Mat. A protective kitchen organizer designed to keep the area under your sink clean and damage-free. It protects cabinets from leaks and spills, saves cleaning time, prevents water damage and stains, is easy to clean, and helps maintain a more hygienic and well-organized kitchen space. It also adds an extra layer of protection to keep your kitchen cabinets long-lasting. Number 20. The Chef Preserve Compact Vacuum Sealer. A powerful kitchen tool designed to keep food fresher for longer. It removes air to preserve freshness, reduces food waste, saves storage space in the fridge or freezer, keeps meals organized, and helps maintain better food quality and taste over time. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing Amazon finds.